For today's challenge, I am gonna apply flaxseed gel on my hair, leave it on for the entire day to see what it can do to my hair in only 24 hours.
Oh no.
So don't forget to like this video. Let me show you how to make this gooey stuff. Making flaxseed gel for this 24-hour challenge is quite simple. All I need you to keep in mind is that the flaxseed gel that we are gonna use on our hair must have the right consistency, which is not too liquid or too thick, so that it is easy to leave it on our hair overnight. So let's begin by boiling on medium heat 2.5 cups of water. When the water boils, carefully pour 5 tablespoons of ground flax seeds into the water like this. You can use brown or golden flax seed since both of these types contain protein, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants that are super beneficial for reducing hair loss and making hair more shiny and less dry.
Not so bad.
From now on, all you're gonna do is to stir often the flax seeds so that they don't stick to the pan for a maximum of 10 minutes, which is the exact time that it took for the flax seeds to form this white mucus consistency on top. Normally, this indicates that the gel has formed, as you can see.
Yes.
So let's turn off the stove and allow the mixture to cool off for no longer than 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you should be able to touch the gel without any trouble. So to extract the gel, pour the mixture into a cheesecloth or a stocking and now squeeze this as much as you can until you strain the gel from the seeds. Once you are done, as an option, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of almond oil to the gel to enhance the moisturizing properties of this treatment. And here's how our flaxseed gel looks in consistency.
It's gooey. Yes, it's gooey.
Hey!
Stop it.
Anyways, it is time for application, so we're gonna start off by detangling our hair.
I was not expecting you to say that.
From the bottom to the top using a wide tooth comb. After this, we're gonna proceed to split our hair into small sections to ensure that we cover every inch of our hair in this flaxseed gel. Alright, so let's begin by grabbing a small section of your hair like this. Next, using your hands, scoop some of the flaxseed gel from the container. Now rub your hands a little bit just to spread the gel all over your palms and begin to apply the gel
As a first impression, no thank you.
Thanks.
from the roots to the ends of your hair in this exact way. Every time I apply some gel on one section, I make sure to go over a few times on the same spot to ensure that the hair strands are well covered before moving on to the next section. As you can see, I'm gonna spread the flaxseed gel on my entire hair first. And then I'll massage my scalp a little bit to boost the amazing benefits that flax seeds have in promoting hair growth.
It was a little bit messy. Yes, my friend, this is actual flaxseed. No, there's a flaxseed. This is bad.
At this point, my hair and scalp is completely soaked in flaxseed gel.
Feels like a giant snail just run through me and it left me there.
And this is how I look after.
Also, I started to notice that the gel begins to harden.
It's getting stiff.
So before I turn into an ancient stone,
We don't want that to happen.
I'm gonna wrap my hair around my head as fast as I can and then cover my hair with a plastic cap first
Excuse me?
and then with a microfiber towel as last as a way to promote a better absorption throughout the night.
I need to shower again because I have a lot of these flaxseed gel mucus. You think your husband is gonna like this? No. We're ready to leave this for 24 hours.
This winter/spring/summer vibes is just
So beautiful.
I'll see you later.
2 hours later.
Take a look.
Oh.
I got the whole broth. If you want some. How am I gonna sleep with this? Bye. Alright, I'm gonna take this off. Ow, ow. Oh no. This is just stick to my head.
After such a dramatic scene, I was actually surprised at how easy it was to wash the flaxseed gel out of my hair the next day. So all you gotta do is a 2-minute water rinse before shampoo, so then you can get the gel to dissolve. Afterwards, make sure to follow up with your shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioning hair mask, and don't forget to do a cold water rinse at the end to boost your results. And this is what happened to my hair after using flaxseed gel for 24 hours. As you can see, my hair is absolutely shiny, extremely soft. It does feel very moisturized. The most remarkable result is how dense my ponytail feels right now. Look at this. Wow. It feels like my hair has gained double the amount of density in only 24 hours, which is crazy and awesome at the same time. Next, we're gonna try flaxseed gel for 7 days, so make sure to subscribe right here. I love you all. See you next time. Pura vida.